Simple ways to update your bathroom, Part 2. Reviving an outdated or ugly bathroom doesn't always require a complete overhaul. There are many simple ways to improve the style and character of your space. Evaluate the room's current condition and focus on the areas that are dragging the space down the most. Making a few simple changes will completely change the feel of the room. Here are some ideas. Linens. One of the most versatile ways to update your bathroom is with matching linens. Think about replacing the towels, bath mat, shower curtain, and drapes. Take a look at what patterns, colors, and materials are out there. It may be tempting to save a few dollars and choose cheaper linens, but you'll quickly regret that decision. No one wants to step out of a relaxing shower or bath to feel a scratchy towel or bath mat. Take your time selecting linens that coordinate with your accessories but are also good quality. Countertops. When it's time to replace your countertop, think about a nice solid surface, such as quartz. Quartz is a modern alternative to traditional granite that is highly resistant to water and heat and is easy to clean. Granite is still a popular choice as well, and offers lots of variations to match any color scheme. For something that can go either modern or rustic, concrete countertops are a good choice. They can be tinted or stained, customized to be any shape or thickness, and only get better with age. Are you ready to improve your kitchen? Together, we can make that dream a reality. Contact us today to get the process started. 972-299-8929.